Hi, in front of me I have OnePlus 7T Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the fingerprint lock on this device. First, we need to open the settings. To do that, let's just swipe upwards on the screen, like that, to open the app menu, and here let's scroll down and tap on the settings. Once in settings, let's scroll down and tap on the security and lock screen, and here let's select fingerprint, and now we need to choose the backup screen lock method first. To do that, let's just select fingerprint and pattern, for example, and now let's draw our pattern and then tap next. Now let's draw the pattern again and tap confirm. Here you can choose between a few modes for the notifications. For example, you can select show all notification content, show private content only when unlocked, and don't show notifications at all. And once you're done selecting, tap done. Now let's press next. And now we need to start touching the fingerprint sensor, which is located right here, to add our fingerprint. Keep tapping on it with our finger. Remember to move your finger all over the sensor. Now we need to input the edges of our finger on the sensor, so let's tap next and just stop touching the fingerprint sensor with edges of our finger. Like this, and then let's tap done, and now it should be working. Let's block our screen. And now let's touch our finger, and as you can see, it works. And that should be all. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.